How to confirm your PI wallet address. Hey everyone, it's Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. Follow this simple step if you need to confirm your PI network wallet address. First of all, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download the PI Browser app. Simply search for the PI Browser and tap from the listed app available there. And once you tap on it, you'll get to see Get option available there. Tap on it to download it. You will have to wait for a few minutes for your download to complete. And once the download is completed, simply tap on the Open option available there and open the PI Browser app. Then click on the PI menu at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on the Mainnet and click Confirm your PI wallet on number 3. Then paste your PI wallet passphrase and click confirm your wallet option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.